So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick fix if you are facing the issue of your Bluetooth devices keep disconnecting on your laptop. Now, in order to do it, simply hit Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and the run prompt will open. Now here you have to search for services.msc. Simply enter it, and you'll notice the services bar will open. Now here you have to search for Bluetooth settings that is named as right there. There we go, Bluetooth support service. Simply right click over there and hit on this option of properties. Now here you simply need to hit on this option of manual to automatic, and once you do that, hit apply and hit OK, and you'll notice that now the Bluetooth service will not always need to trigger manually. It will automatically start and your device will not get disconnected. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.